Good afternoon. This is Sevita from Sudisha Counseling Center. Today we are with Dr. Geeta Chella, child psychologist. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, namaste.
Yes, ma'am. We heard that you are again starting the beautiful program Balamitra once again for all the kids. And from behalf of all the parents, I would like to ask few questions, ma'am. And parents have so many doubts, so through me, I just want to clarify it, and that too with your permission.
Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, firstly, I want to know what is actually Balamitra program. Can you explain us, ma'am, what it is actually?
Yeah. See, Balamitra is I should say, start with the word wonderful program for kids. Balamitra is a story time because we believe that stories really, kids will like stories. So it is started as a story time program. And Balamitra is not only stories. Balamitra will also have um, some value inculcation will be there, and we have social skills planned in the program, and we have home activities where they will learn lot of self-help skills and other life skills through activity methods. And see, because of this coronavirus, because of this pandemic time, a lot of emotional accumulation is there. The children are not able to share their emotions, so we planned emotional ventilation activities every day. So I say that Balamitra is a comprehensive program of stories, activities, and value inculcation. And also, we are not missing out joy giving. So that we are planning activity for joy also. It's like every day we have some clapping techniques or some different activities through which the child will enjoy the activity. Yeah.
Which age group can join this program, ma'am?
So this Balamitra is meant for 6 to 16 years of age. As our instructors are trained enough, and myself always 21 days I am available in the program along with my counselors, where we are planning to cater to the needs of 6 to 16 years children.
Okay. Yes. And is there any language, like they can prefer their language?
Yes, language and English. Kids were not able to understand Telugu. So we are planning to have Telugu and English both. Telugu and English languages, Balamitra separately.
Okay. And can you explain more about the types of skills or values or any few samples? Just can you give the activities, ma'am? Just to disclose.
Definitely. I'll start with the story. The stories will be based on the values. So, for example, say responsibility is a value, punctuality is a value, or the sacrifice is a value, love is a value. So, for every we are taking one value and we have a nice story, and we are using a PowerPoint presentation, that is visuals will be there to explain the story, and based on this story, activity will be given. For example, we have the skill as kindness, helping, sharing, caring. So that day the activity will be, try to give something to your servant maid, or try to prepare a coping card, or try to prepare a greeting card, or you eat food with prayer, offer the prayer and start the food. Or sometimes we are giving some activities like settle your cupboard, or plant, watering the plants. It's like vegetable carving, fruits carving. I have list of 21 activities which are given in the Balamitra. Yes. And one more thing is, for the emotional ventilation, we planned so many activities, because I repeat that coronavirus really had so many things. So we have emotional ventilation activities, for example, tearing the papers, painting the face, painting the hands, or jumping, clapping, playing with the balloons, whatnot. Everything is there in these activities. I cannot explain. We have set of 21 altogether, almost more than 100 activities in 21 days.
Yes, I am really excited by listening to you only. Ma'am, I heard that you have previously also conducted this program. And how
Yes.
was your experience and when you have did that, ma'am? When you conducted that?
Last year, same when the coronavirus started, the first wave of coronavirus, and the children were completely upset with not going to school, and the parents don't have any clue what to do. So that time we thought something should be done for the kids, and we started 42 days program Balamitra, and successfully conducted 2 hours per day, Telugu 1 hour and English 1 hour. 42 days we conducted, and it went on very well. And last day, when we completed 42 days, the kids were not happy to stop the program. They wanted it to continue. Then that day I promised that I'll come back next year same time. So that's why I'm again coming back.
Okay. And how both the parents and kids can be benefited by this program, and what can they expect from you from this program?
See, first and foremost thing, the kids will enjoy the program. Number one, because they are kids, they want to enjoy. Let them enjoy. Joy means that happiness, real happiness in some activity, because they're getting bored at home. Number one. Number two, there are so many skills we are teaching which are not taught in the school, which are not taught through online classes, which teachers are. So social skills and self-help skills, which we are demonstrating by the senior counselors for psychologists, who will demonstrate the activity and the kids will do in the program. And for the parents, because parents, inculcation of values is a challenge. We are not able to inculcate the challenges, values. So here human values are inculcated. That is the best part of this program. Parents can expect their children to become more disciplined, more happy, more peaceful. Yeah.
That's great, ma'am. And timings, and actually how many days is this program, ma'am?
This is for 21 days, and every day we have 1 hour for English, 1 hour for Telugu. Parents can choose either English or Telugu. 11:30 to 12:30 is the Telugu slot, and 12:30 to 1:30 in the afternoon is the English slot. So they will be joining on time, and will complete that 1 hour, and Zoom link will be shared in the group. When they register, when the parents register, they can, come to the online.
Okay. And
It is
ma'am,
online platform.
yes. And ma'am, what has actually inspired you to conduct this program for kids, ma'am?
See, basically, I am a child psychologist. 1994, I have done my master's in child development. And that is the, passion to work with the kids, and, to do something for the kids is my passion for a long time, more than 25 years. So being a child psychologist, I really want to do something for the kids. That is one thing. And secondly, last year, as I said, this, the shock given by the coronavirus, none of us, like most of us, could not get back from that. And now second wave, again people are frustrated, people are upset, people are uncertain about everything. So this time I thought I should do something for the kids, because parents do not have that much time, energy to really do something for the kids consistently. So we want to do it for 21 days so that it can help. Yeah.
Okay. And last and final question, ma'am. What is your final message or advice for parents as well as kids?
See, I appeal to all the parents who is watching this video, please join your kids, because this is a wonderful program. 1 year you need to wait. Only after 1 year, maybe next year summer, we will conduct this program. This long 21 days of program by supervision of a senior psychologist, child psychologist, and all the people who are talking to your kids are counselors and psychologists. They are not normal people. So it's a beautiful opportunity to connect your kids to someone who know the psychology of child. So don't miss the opportunity. Don't miss the opportunity. Please register for this program, and 21 days, see the effect after 21 days. There is a I should say, transform the child's behavior or the way they talk or everything, because it's like it is not one activity we are doing in this program. It is a combination and scientifically designed program. So I appeal to the parents, don't miss the opportunity. This is a gift you are giving to your kids.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us and giving your valuable time and clearing all the doubts. And we are so excitingly waiting for this program. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, parents, what's late now? It's your turn to join your kids. Quickly grab this wonderful opportunity for your lovely kids in this pandemic situation. Thank you. And the link and the brochure will be attached to this video. You can just go through the description. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And looking forward to see all your kids in the program. And again, I repeat, please don't miss the opportunity. Thank you so much. Namaste.